Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You need the essentials first. Supported iPhone, Apple ID signed into iCloud, and Apple Pay configured. Once those are ready, open the Wallet app and tap the plus sign to add Apple Cash. Make sure your identity is verified when prompted. This unlocks limits and features. You'll be asked for personal info, name, address, and last four of SSN to comply with regulations. Start with these steps now so the rest of the setup can proceed without interruptions. Next, you'll complete identity verification inside Wallet. This is the only way Apple Cash becomes active. Tap your Apple Cash card, choose Setup Now, and follow the guided prompts to submit a photo ID or the last four of your social security number. This verifies you under federal rules and sets your transaction limits. Once done, Wallet will either approve you immediately or say verification is pending. Make sure to check status and retry any rejected fields promptly to avoid delays. Finally, enable Apple Cash in Wallet after verification completes, and optionally set it as your default card for Apple Pay. To send or receive money, open Messages or Wallet, pick Apple Cash, and confirm with Face ID or Touch ID. If you need funds, add a debit card or transfer to your bank. If something goes wrong, check that your ID matches your Apple ID information exactly, update iOS to the latest version, and if verification still fails.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.